Hey gang, apologize for the crude video, but I want to show you a little bit of a sneak peek into what you'll be seeing when you come in to work out next week. So when you walk in, you will notice that each one of the tablets actually has a rack associated with it. All of our tablets will have numbers on them, and all of our racks will have numbers on them, and all of these tablets will be associated with one of the racks. You'll see right here, this says rack 1 is waiting for a session. Your workout is about to begin. When your coach begins a session and they've got all their clients in the session, they will assign your workout to your rack. So when you're in front of your rack, they'll say, okay, here's Joe Fitness. Let me pull up Joe's workout for the day. They've got their own tablet, and boom, there it will be. And your workout will show up right here beautifully on this great looking tablet right on your rack. It's amazing. So a few things I wanted to show you and just kind of what you will do as a client to use this. Number one, you're going to see a couple things. First, you're going to notice these scores at the top. Those are for your coaches, all right? Your coaches score you based on your ability to do certain movements, where your progressions, regressions should be in certain movement patterns, etc. That is information for them to use, and it's not really meant for you. It doesn't mean much to you, so you shouldn't care. But as you go down and you look through these workouts, you're going to notice a few things. You're going to notice that we kind of have these sections named so you really understand what you're doing, all right, when you're doing some of these things. So you'll notice, like in this particular workout, move better, 3 sets. So we've got a little section here for Joe Fitness where he's doing some things to kind of be able to move better, whether it be some dynamic warm-up type movements, some corrective exercise, etc. Then we're going to focus on getting stronger. We're going to build some muscle. We're going to do a little core and isolation, and we're going to do a little metabolic finisher. All of that information will show up so you have a pretty good understanding of what you're doing. How you'll use this, okay? A couple different things you'll do. Number one, you will notice this little kettlebell icon on the right. So if you want to insert your weights and reps, you will simply click that kettlebell icon and boom, right there, set 1, put your reps in, your weight, and save it. So if I did 12 reps and I come in here, you'll notice this has got a keyboard here, and the reason for that is so that you can put blue band or whatever it is you want to write. Let's say you did 65 pounds. You're going to save that. Let's say you do a second set, boom, right there, save it, so on and so forth. When you're done, you'll just X out of that movement, and this will save it. The beautiful part of this new system is it saves all your records. So the next time you go into barbell bench press, you will just click that exercise and all your history will populate of exactly how many reps and what weight you were using for as long as you've been using this system. It's beautiful. It's going to really allow you to track it in a much better way than we used to. So as we get out of here, the other thing you'll notice is this little video icon. Now, we don't have many videos built into this yet. It's a long process. We'll get them later. And these will not be like the videos you've used before. These will be more simple, just a few reps, just to give you a reminder of what the exercise is, but not to coach you on it, all right? It's your job of the coach to coach you on the actual exercise. It's not the job of the app. It's one thing I didn't like about the old system. So we just have a couple reps just to remind you what it is, and move on, all right? And you click out of there, and there you go. So that's it. That's how you will use this. Use the kettlebell icon to put your reps and sets in. You click the exercise if you want to see a history of what you've done in that particular exercise. You click the video icon if you want to watch a video of that particular exercise. And we're also going to have a timer on these. So if you do need a timer for a particular exercise or for rest or whatever it is you might need, or for your metabolic finisher at the end, you can do that. But I just wanted to give you a general update of what you're getting ready to experience. We are super excited about it. We've got most everything done on the back end to get ready for the launch next week, our Heads Up campaign, and just wanted to share that with you today. Just get you excited. All right, we'll see you next week. Have a great weekend.